Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking the great fairies and freeing inventory space. This matters because many clothing items require upgrades or trade in materials. Once done, route to major hubs and mark all armor merchants on your map so you don't backtrack. Make sure to gather 1,000 plus rupees and common crafting materials. These let you buy initial pieces and pay for upgrades. Begin the grind immediately. Loot chests along fast travel routes and prioritize quests that reward unique garments. You now work methodically through each region collecting vendor stock, chest spawns, and quest rewards to complete lists. Once a vendor is noted, return with sufficient rupees and materials. Vendors rotate stock only after story progression or reload, so save before purchases. Use the sensor and shrine chest tricks to find rare items and scan amiibo if applicable to supplement missing pieces. As you gather, craft or trade duplicates to unlock set bonuses, and ensure you don't miss one final. You finish by clearing any outstanding shrines, side quest chests, and NPC trade lines that grant clothing. These often hold the last unique pieces. Next, upgrade each garment at Great Fairies to confirm set requirements and bonuses. Some outfits only appear after upgrades exist in your inventory. If a piece is missing, first reload an earlier save and retread vendor cycles, then retry shrine chest methods or amiibo scans. That troubleshooting step fixes most spawn or rotation issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.